Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer money to your bank account from the cash application. So first of all, of course, you would like to have the cash application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you are already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, let me just tell you that cash application is currently working just on the United States. So if you are not living in the United States, just go and look at one of our videos. It will show you the trick on how you can even download or even sign in or using the cash application on your phone. You'll find it down below on our channel. So as I said, to cash out funds from your cash app to your bank account, all you need to do, just tap at the money tab on your cash app home screen. So wait, this will not be of course your home screen. This will be your home screen after entering the application. So all we need to do, just go here and tap maybe at this bank account. As you can see here, the cash balance for me is 0. So of course you can cash out if you already have some money, because if I click here, as you can see, I cannot like cash out. So let me just add here some cash. If I click on the $10 here, as you can see, add the bank using your debit card. So if you add here your debit card, it will sell or be added permanently on your account. You can remove it whenever you want. Of course, how you can like deposit to your bank, just go here and click at your icon here at the top right corner and scroll down a bit until you find here this linked banks. So you can click here at the plus icon and maybe choose add a bank using your debit card. Of course, after that, just go enter all the information. Then if you want, of course, as we said, to cash out or to deposit or to transfer money to bank, just go here and click on this icon at the bottom left corner and click at cash out. Enter the amount that you want and choose the card that you already added or linked. Then click at next, and maybe you will need to confirm with a PIN or touch ID, and you can maybe even select a deposit speed, and you'll be all done. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.